Garlic. This pungent bulb has flavored our dishes and treated our ailments for millennia. From ancient Egypt to modern medicine, garlic's reputation as a powerful health booster has stood the test of time. But what is it about this humble ingredient that makes it so special? Let's delve into the science behind garlic's magic and uncover the surprising effects of incorporating it into our daily diets. For centuries, cultures worldwide have recognized garlic's medicinal properties. Ancient texts detail its use in treating infections, wounds, and even the plague. Modern science confirms what our ancestors knew all along. Garlic is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and unique compounds like allicin, garlic offers a wide range of potential health benefits. But should we be consuming it every day? Garlic's potent effects stem primarily from a sulfur-containing compound called allicin. This remarkable compound forms when a garlic clove is crushed or chopped. Allicin is responsible for garlic's distinctive aroma and possesses powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties make allicin a key player in many of garlic's purported health benefits. Allicin acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and various diseases. By neutralizing these harmful agents, allicin helps protect our bodies from chronic illnesses. Furthermore, allicin's anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis and heart disease. Numerous studies highlight garlic's potential to improve heart health. Research suggests that regular garlic consumption may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall blood circulation. These effects can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, a leading cause of death worldwide. Beyond heart health, garlic also exhibits immune-boosting properties. Studies demonstrate that garlic can enhance the activity of white blood cells, our body's natural defense system against infections. Garlic may also help reduce the severity and duration of common colds and other respiratory infections. While more research is needed, these findings suggest that incorporating garlic into our diets could strengthen our immune system and improve our ability to fight off infections. Section 4. Separating fact from fiction. Garlic myths debunked. Despite its well-documented benefits, garlic is surrounded by myths and misconceptions. One common myth claims that eating garlic repels vampires. While a fun folklore element, there's no scientific basis for this belief. Another misconception is that cooking destroys all of garlic's beneficial compounds. While it's true that heat can degrade allicin, cooked garlic still retains many of its health benefits. In fact, some beneficial compounds in garlic become more bioavailable through cooking. Therefore, enjoy garlic in both raw and cooked forms to reap its full range of nutrients. Remember, moderation is key. Consuming large amounts of garlic, especially raw, can lead to digestive discomfort, bad breath, and body odor. Section 5. Garlic in your kitchen. Easy ways to spice up your plate. Incorporating garlic into your daily diet is simpler than you might think. Roasted, sautéed, minced, or crushed, garlic adds depth and complexity to countless dishes. Add roasted garlic cloves to soups and stews for a rich, savory flavor. Sauté minced garlic with vegetables for a quick and healthy side dish. For a flavor-packed salad dressing, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and herbs. Looking for a simple snack? Spread roasted garlic on whole grain toast for a delicious and nutritious treat. Experiment with different preparations and find what you enjoy most. Remember, a little garlic goes a long way. Section 6. Garlic every day. A small change with big potential. Garlic, with its rich history and impressive health benefits, deserves a place in our daily diets. From boosting heart health and immunity to adding flavor to our meals, garlic offers a simple yet powerful way to enhance our well-being. While more research is always ongoing, the evidence overwhelmingly suggests that moderate daily garlic consumption is safe and potentially highly beneficial. So why not embrace the power of this ancient remedy? Add a clove to your next meal and experience the surprising effects of garlic for yourself. Remember, small dietary changes can have a significant impact on our health and longevity. Garlic, with its versatility and potent properties, might just be the key to a healthier, more flavorful life.